Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to look at another keyword today, pass. So alright, I don't know if you've seen it or wondered or what, but we're just going to jump right on it. So I'm sure you've been building a program, or you have a couple of ideas, or you're trying to go through and you've created something and you've gotten an error, something like this. Let's say you want to test something and you have your V and we don't want bars. So you do this and then you run and you're gonna get some goofy error and it's gonna be like, what are you doing? And it goes all the way to the bottom. So what you can do, maybe you haven't created it, but you know you're going to need it and you don't want to forget. So what pass does is it tells Python, hey, just don't really look at this. Just let everything be. I know perfect way to think about it is it's like you're telling Python, hey, I know I don't have anything here. Can you ignore that I don't have anything here? And it's an agreement. That's what this does. It's like a holder for missing information. So that's a great way to look at it. So that's what that does. So this is the pass keyword, and I don't think I've done it before. I looked back through. I didn't see it, and I thought this would be a very good place to have it. So real quick video today, just wanted to get that out and let you guys see that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we're gonna do some pretty cool stuff here probably in the next day or two, and I don't want you missing anything. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.